We move on to the next law, which is the associative property. The associative law. Associative law. What is the associative property? Suppose we have three integers, a, b and c. These are the three integers. Then a into b into c will be equal to a into b into c. What do we mean by this? Suppose we can understand this with the help of a simple, we take a, b, c as simple numbers. Suppose we take the integers as a as -3, b as -5 and c as 6. Any integer you can take to verify the law. So if we take the left hand side, it is, I'm just substituting the values. So just follow, girls. -3 into -5 into 6. So what will be the result be? -3 into -5 is +15 into 6 is +90. The right hand side is a -3 into -5 into 6. So what will I do first? I will always do the part which is there in the bracket first. So it is -3 into -30. So -3 into -30. So minus into minus is plus. We have done that. So it is +90. That means, see, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Both the answers are 90. You can try this with any integer. So this law, a into b, that means if I keep this a into b within bracket, that means this part I am doing first. Then I am multiplying the result, that means ab into c. That will be equal to a into b into c if you multiply this part first. Okay, this property is known as the associative property of multiplication. We move on to the next property, which is the multiplication is distributive over addition. Multiplication, you have to understand this very well, girls. Multiplication is distributive over addition. What do you understand by this? Suppose you have three integers, a, b and c. A, b and c as three integers. Let a be -3, b be 5 and c be -9. Okay. Now, if I do a into b plus c, if I do this part, a into b plus c, what do we mean by that? It is -3 plus 5 plus -9. So that is equal to -3 plus 5 plus -9 is -4. Okay. I'm sorry, this should be multiplication. I put a plus sign. I'm so sorry. That is equal to -3 into -4. That is equal to, if I just multiply these two, I will get it as 12. Plus 12. Now, if I multiply a into b plus a into c, A into B plus A into C. That means, what did I say? Take A as minus 3 into 5 plus minus 3 into minus 9. So that is equal to minus 15 plus 27. That is equal to 12. Okay. So A into B plus C, I can write this as A into B plus C is equal to actually A into B plus A into C. This law is called the distributive law of multiplication over addition. Understood? Now, if we move on to the distributive law of multiplication over subtraction, how do we do it? Now, suppose we take again three integers as A, B and C. Now, let A be 5, B be minus 3 and C be 7. Okay. So now, if we do A into B minus C, that is equal to, I'll just substitute the values, girls, 5 into minus 3 minus 7. So that is equal to 5 into minus 3 minus 7. If I do this, then it is 5 into, this is what, girls? This is minus 10. So if this is minus 10, this is minus 50. Understood? Now, if I multiply A into B minus AC, what does it become? It becomes, A is what? 5 into minus 3 minus 5 into 7. So that is minus 15 minus 35. So this is again minus 50. That means this and this are the same. So we can write that A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. So the law of distribution, distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Have you understood? So now we will move on to the exercise. So we start with exercise 1.3. Find the following product. Suppose I do question number 1, the second part. Minus 13 into minus 15. Then what do? You multiply just 15 into 13 and the sign will be plus. So if you multiply 15 into 13, what do you get? It is plus 195. Okay. Now if I do the fourth part, it is minus 13 into 0 into minus 24. So if you multiply with any zero, any integers, if you multiply with the integer 0, 0 remember is also an integer, but it has neither negative sign or positive sign. Okay. So this will be 0. The sixth part, if I do, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. If I multiply these two, A into B, okay, what do I get? I get this as 18 into minus 2 into minus 1 will be plus 2. That is equal to 36. The rest of the parts, just do it on your own. Question number 2. They have asked you to verify. Suppose I do the second part. Minus 21 into minus 6 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 21 into minus 6 plus minus 21 into minus 4. Okay, this is which property, girls? If you can relate it, can you tell me? I'll be very happy to know which property is this, girls. This is the multiplication is distributive over addition. This property. Okay, this property they have asked you to verify, that multiplication is distributive over addition. I'm just writing the property for your benefit. Multiplication is distributive. Go back to the law which was explained and then you'll understand it better, over addition. Whenever you are supposed to do any verification, verification means what? Verification means you are proving it. So it is always left hand side into right hand side. So what do you have in the left hand side, girls? You have as minus 21 into minus 6 plus minus 4. That is minus 21 into minus 6 plus minus 4. This is minus 10. That is equal to minus 21 into 10. I will multiply this as natural numbers. So I will get 210, but the sign will be positive. What do we have in the right hand side? I have minus 21 into minus 6 plus minus 21 into minus 4. So that is equal to, if I do this part, this is plus 126 plus minus 21 into minus 4. It is plus 210. So we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have proved that. So we can say that multiplication rule, the multiplication rule which we have done, that multiplication is distributive over addition. So complete question number 1 and 2. This is absolutely a new concept, so that in the next class we can continue from question number 3. Thank you so much, girls.